Donna and I really love miniature museums that give you the history and culture in a miniature fashion. Donna and the Miniature Museum in Amsterdam is like the other miniature museums, a wonderful place to dive into the culture of the country that you're in. The Amsterdam Miniature Museum, goes into the good and bad and even the unique, including the red light district of Amsterdam, that is a little bit of a interesting place if you've ever been there. So let's take a look. All right, so let's take a look at the Amsterdam Miniature Museum. It's located near the Rijksmuseum, so it's in a wonderful area of the city, and it's in a small historic building. So in this museum, in miniature, you can see scenes from Amsterdam, and from history and current days. And once again, they show you the good and the bad, the whole history of the Netherlands. Of course, they can't get everything in, but they can show you quite a bit of the history. So let's look at some of these scenes, and they come to life when you press the buttons. Like you can hear the bell towers here in Amsterdam, and you can see the flickering lights inside the buildings, people moving. But you can also see scenes from the wonderful and beautiful Dutch architecture that you'll see throughout the country. And it's not just the outside of these homes. You can actually see the insides as well that are done very well in miniature from different time periods of the Dutch history. So it also shows, like the coffee shop, which it's the first coffee shop, and Dutch coffee shops are not really the same kind of coffee as we're talking about. Think marijuana. It also shows how the buildings are built with the pylons, as you just saw. It also shows, that you can open one of their famous drawbridges that goes across the Amstel River, which Amsterdam actually means the dam on the Amstel River. So you can see that you can watch it open. It includes the sound effects, the lighting, and it's a way you can travel across the country and be able to see all the sites in a unique way. Even a public transportation area. You can go out and see the beautiful windmills of the Netherlands in a countryside kind of scene, as you can see here. Even have the freeway in the background with the cars going by. So pretty cool. They showcase some of their pride parade, and then they head over to the red light district, where is a place where there is legal prostitution that might be different than many other places in the world, but here you can take a look into the different homes and see what's going on. And I can tell you there are some interesting things going on in some of those buildings. And then you can take a look at other items from history where a lot of students rebelled because of the extremely high cost of housing that was going on. And they had the attitude of the wealthy businesses shouldn't be allowed to operate if people can't afford their homes. So they had a strike and a kind of a rebellion. And they're also working on a new exhibit. It's not complete, but about the Dutch involvement in the slave trade, which is, of course, a dark spot on all the colonial countries that involved in this terrible trade. So it also showcases the Anne Frank house. So you have an opportunity to take a look at it in miniature. You got the swinging bookcase, and then you can actually go and see what did the space look like. It's tough to get into the real Anne Frank house because the tickets sell out way in advance, but it's good. It's a good opportunity to be able to see at least see the miniature version of it. We actually have had the opportunity to go into the Anne Frank house. Nothing, there is no uh, So this really is a wonderful museum to go visit. It probably would take you around an hour, depending on how long you stay, to see the and how in detail that you look at the different miniatures. But it's a great museum and a well worth a stop when you're in the Netherlands. So hop on by and take a look. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this kind of content and contact us at ET Family Travel to book your next Dutch adventure.